Hello friends, welcome to Free Vocabulary Lessons. This is lesson 7 in the series where we are going to learn the meaning of a new word and phrase with an example. Let's get started. The word of the day is well away. It is an interjection. This word is used as an expression of sorrow or distress. Let's understand its usage with an example. Well away, the sailor cried out in distress as he watched the boat sink. Here we have used the interjection well away to express sorrow or distress. Let's look into one more example of it. Well away, his father died suddenly due to COVID-19 disease. Again I repeat, well away is an expression of sorrow or distress. Now let's look into the phrase of the day. The phrase of the day is cutting corners, meaning to do something badly or cheaply. We use this phrase when something is done very poorly to save time or money. For example, it is certainly not a sensible move to cut corners with national security. We cannot do something bad or cheap with national security. So we use to cut corners here. Let's look into one more example of it. When the boss found out that the accounting department was cutting corners, he fired them all. Again I repeat, cutting corners means to do something badly or cheaply just to save time or money. So this is the word of the day. And this is the phrase of the day. Please note, I will be creating a shout out video for all your answers across all vocabulary lessons. So please post your answers. That's all in today's video. Like, comment, share and subscribe in case you found that your vocabulary has been enhanced. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.